live with the sound effect, and we are in Jacksonville, Florida at Welcome to Rockville, and it is killing it here. There's a lot of music going on. These guys just played on the Zippo set over there just a moment ago, and they played earlier today, and this is Dirty Honey. Welcome, guys.
Thank you.
What's up?
Why don't you guys introduce yourself and what you do in the band?
My name is John. I play lead guitar in the band.
Mark LaBelle. I am lead vocals.
I'm Justin. I play lead bass.
My name's Corey, and I play lead drums. What's up?
You also play a really, really mean stool, man. It killed it on that stool. You guys were awesome. So, Dirty Honey, how'd the name come about?
Yes, I was listening to Howard Stern, and he was talking to Robert Plant, and they had mentioned a band that Robert was in many years ago, and I just loved the name, the Honey Drippers, and I thought it was really dirty, and it very accidentally became Dirty Honey, and kind of went on a long list of potential band names because we were badly trying to change it, and we visited it once, didn't think it was right, and then we visited again. We were like, that's obviously the best one.
Nice, nice. So how long have you guys been together?
This is year 2 now.
Year 2. Cool.
Who started the band?
Who did?
Yeah.
I guess I did, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. How'd the band end up forming?
I met John at a gig one night when he sat in and blew my guitar player away. And John introduced me to him, and he introduced us to Corey.
Right down the line.
Yeah.
Cool, nice. Where are you guys located?
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles. How many albums you guys got out?
Just one right now.
One so far?
Cool. Debut, baby.
Yeah, I was sent your EP and stuff. I had a good chance to listen to it before we got here. I unfortunately missed your set because we got here a little late. We came from Tampa and stuff. So, honestly, I didn't have a chance to memorize the names of the songs, but I liked every one of them. I liked every single thing I heard, man. It sounded great. So, cool. Really good stuff. So, what's your favorite show that you guys have ever pulled off before so far?
Favorite show? Opening for Slash, for me, is definitely the highlight so far. I like...
Nice.
Yeah,
Slash is awesome.
Slash is the man. Miles Kennedy's the man. Todd is awesome.
Yeah,
Brent Fizz.
Those guys are awesome. I think that's for me, too. The same. Probably like second or third show. Denver was the one. We played the Fillmore... right? The Fillmore Auditorium. It was sold out. His fans are great. They show up for the opening band, like pretty much full.
That's really good.
That was incredible. I mean, it was like 3,000 plus people, and we had already done like 3, so we were all comfortable, gelled, clicking, and yeah, I mean, just can't believe it's us sometimes.
Yeah, when you're backstage and like there's this almost caricature like rock star guy walking around in Slash with his regalia, you're just like, what the hell? Like, I don't even know how I got here. And
what is life? You're just like,
he's so much a rock star that it's like, it's crazy.
He just carries it in his persona all the way, right? Yeah. What are your influences musically?
Guns N' Roses is a huge one. Aerosmith, AC/DC, Led Zeppelin, The Stones, the Black Crowes, Steve Gadd.
Some of that in some of your songs.
and also I think any great hit song.
Sure.
I think to distinguish, I think from a tendency with other rock bands is to be maybe more riff and kind of like, I mean, we're riff, but you know what I'm saying? Like our stuff is like, I feel like it's a mix of like high octane, but then also really catchy.
He named most of them, but I like Audio Slave, Soundgarden, STP, like that whole grunge area, and I like modern bands too, like Muse. Grandson's a band that I really like right now.
Nice, nice. How about you? What are your influences?
Everything they said, and much more, and I'll leave it mysterious.
Liking to be mysterious. Funk, cool. Yeah, well, you guys got a great sound. You guys sounded really awesome. I was really glad I caught you over there at the Zippo experience and stuff. So, pleasure to meet you, and I know you guys got to get going, so I appreciate you having this interview with us. Thank you very much. We are The Sound Effect. Thank you so much for watching it. Welcome to Rockville.
Give it up for Corey playing the chair today. Alright, we got some new music. Who's listening to new records so far, y'all? Anybody know of us at all? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This first one we're going to do, this one's called Heartbreaker. We're Dirty Honey. Yeah. dead of the night. It's something to deceive me. And my worried mind, my worried mind. If you take my shackles off, I'd see just a heartbreaker, a heartbreaker. What you did to me, a heartbreaker, a heartbreaker. What you did to me, baby, please. Drum solo.